Hi, this is Anil from Learning Led Education and welcome to the What's the Output video series on C programming language. Here we're going to give you a C program and we're going to ask you guys to guess the output of the program, and then we're going to explain the output. So all you need to do is pause this movie, take a look at the source code which is here in the editor, and then come up with the output of this program. Once you have an answer, just click on the play button and I'm going to explain the output. Alright, now I believe that you guys have an answer for this program. What we're gonna do is we're gonna build and run this program. So build and run, and we're gonna get the answer as 2. So now why the heck we're gonna get the answer 2? In this program, first we have defined a function called 1, which is not gonna take any parameters and it's not gonna return any values. And then we have the function 2 and the function 3. And then here inside this main function, with this statement, we are declaring an array of pointers called ptr, which contains the pointers to the functions which are not gonna take any parameters and not gonna return any values. So here this ptr is gonna be an array of pointers to the functions, and that functions are not gonna take any parameters and they will not return any values. And then what we are doing is we are initializing the first element of the ptr pointers array with the address of function 1. All of you know that everything will be stored in some memory location, and similarly these functions are going to be stored in some memory locations, and with these statements we are storing the functions addresses in this array of pointers ptr. So in the first element we are storing the address of the function 1, and then in the second element we are storing the address of the function 2, and in the third element we are storing the address of the function 3. And then what we are doing is, by using this ptr array of pointers, we are calling a function. So here this ptr pointers second element, the index starts from 0, second element is containing the address of the function 2. So this statement will call the function 2. It's like we're gonna have a function call here. For example, it's like 2, just the call to the function 2. But here we are using this array of pointers, and this statement will be exactly similar to this statement. So that's why just gonna be calling the 2 function, and the contents which are inside that 2 function will be executed. We have only printf function and we have return the string 2, and that will be printed out. So this is it guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out my website learninglad.com for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.